What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the Goodwill. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go. All right, first things first, we got a bunch of video games here. Not seeing anything great. Maybe Overlord is worth a little bit. They're priced between $3 and $5. Not sure why Halo 2 is $5 and the rest are $3. And then there are some Wii games right here. I don't think anything good. Maybe Wii Party. I know one of those is worth some money. And then a Polaroid, 12 bucks. Polaroids used to sell really well, not so much anymore. Alright, so I'm coming down to check out the electronics section, and I found this guy right here. It's a Pioneer Ultra HD Blu-ray player. It's actually a burner, so it burns 4K Blu-ray discs, I think. This is like a brand new item. Very interesting. It's heavy, so I believe it's in here. I'm gonna have to check. $8. I looked on Amazon. It is completely out of stock, so I double-checked eBay. And take a look at this, guys. These are the sold listings. 132 without a box, 189, 150, 80. And there's only one listed for I think 120 to 150 right now, so we're gonna snag that. Alright, so right where I grabbed that, I looked over and I found a Sony. It's also a recorder right here. DVD, read-write, recording, awesome, love to see it. Looked it up on Amazon. The rank is a little high, but brand new. It's going for over $800 used, looking at $128. Now I'd have to buy the remote, cost $12. Rank is a little high. So maybe I'd be able to get like 80 bucks, but shipping's gonna be expensive on this thing. Also the box, so maybe like $70. I'm gonna leave it here for now, but we'll keep looking. I might come back to it. Alright, so taking a look at all the media, it's mostly movies, some CDs. I saw one video game, but it was nothing good. I went through all this side, and the other side, it goes all the way around as well. I made out really, really good, guys. I'll show you all the DVDs I picked up, and I'll pop some prices up for you guys so you could see what some of this stuff is going for. Always keep an eye out for wrestling DVDs, VHS tapes, anything like that. They can go for really good money. We have a cool Godzilla. I always try to find Godzilla stuff versus Biollante, not sure. Kind of cool. Flip, never heard of it, but worth money. I got this. I've been looking for this movie. I could not remember the title of it since I was maybe 12. I'm 29 now, so pretty crazy. I saw this on TV. Maybe not when I was 12. When did it come out? It doesn't say. I don't know. I Married a Monster from Outer Space. Kind of cool. This is really crazy. Untraceable assault rifle. Build your own untraceable AR-15. That's interesting. It's not on Amazon, but it is on eBay, selling pretty consistently. The Beast of Revelation. It looks like somebody had a whole bunch of really, really weird DVDs and they all donated them at once. BMX Bandits, an old movie with Nicole Kidman. Never heard of it before. Uh-oh. Another interesting, weird thing. The World Wars. Roosevelt, Churchill, Stalin, and Hitler. And then Tripping the Rift, the movie with Jenny McCarthy. Some weird stuff, guys, but lots of money to be had in these. They price them between $1 and $3, so I'll take them. So when it comes to VHS tapes, you can see there's a decent amount of them here. What I always like to look for is Barney. Barney and other older children's cartoons. Not so much the Disney stuff unless it's sealed, but Barney, the Big Comfy Couch, that's a great one. Bear in the Big Blue House, I think that's what it's called. But Barney is always great. Waiting for Santa is awesome because Christmas is right around the corner. You can see they're asking $2. What the heck? $2. It's a good thing yellow's half. Oh no, blue's half off, not yellow. That's weird. Why are these ones $2? Everything else is $1. Maybe they're taking my advice. No, I don't know. I think it was just a mess up on the pricing, but I might. Let's double check the prices on these and see what they're going for. You can see Barney right here selling really well for 18 bucks. I'll make 9 minus the 2. I'll take it still. And let's check Big Comfy Couch together. We'll scan it in. I think this is it right here. Let's see, the Big Comfy Couch. I feel good. Yes, there it is. Oh, let's try and focus on it. There we go. There it is. Look at that, selling for $12.87. You'll make $4.87 after fees. Brand new, going for $91. Crazy. I think I'll leave it because I'm not going to spend too to only make 2, so that could stay there with the VHS tape, but I will get the Barney as long as it looks good. You always want to make sure there's no mold on the actual tape itself. You'll see a bunch of little white spots. These look good, so going in the cart. Let's see if we can find any other cool old VHS tapes. Also, I always try to find horror related things, and the VHS tape head cleaners, those can sell really well as well. Let's see what we got here. We got Casper. No. Anything here? No. Sometimes the Wiggles can do okay. What is this? A vacation planner. No. Not seeing. Here we go. We have another big comfy couch right here. Is this one too as well? No, this one's only $1. So yeah, of course, I think those were 2 mess ups on the pricing, but hey, it is what it is. I also see Sesame Street can do okay. Here's another Barney can do okay. So let's check it and see if I'm correct. I'm gonna scan in the Barney first. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. All right, looking pretty good. Used. Well, brand new 51, used it says 99, but they're really selling for 14, so not bad. I will take that. And then this big comfy couch is covered. They put the price tag right over the barcode, so and try and scan the picture on the front. If it doesn't come up, I gotta type it in like I have to do right now. So I couldn't find it on Amazon, but I decided to do a little bit of research over on eBay. Let me turn up my brightness. All right, I did a little bit of research on eBay, and here's a lot of 2 with this one included that sold for $16.90. There we go, $16.90. Another lot of 2 went for $11. That person sold a lot of 5 for only $8. Not sure why. A lot of 4 for $15. A lot of 8 for $35. There's just a single one for $15. So what I want to do, it's a shame that this one's $2, because at $1 each, it's almost worth it to just buy a bunch of them. Then when you have 5 to 10 of them, you just lot them up for $25, $30, and they will sell pretty well. But I think I'm going to leave these 2 behind for now. So Winnie the Pooh is definitely another good one. I scanned it in right here. Has a little bit of a higher rank, but it will sell. And oh, that's collectible. Let's check used. Yeah, used. FBA is coming at 35, merchants are coming in at 8. Split the difference, about $15. That's not bad. We'll stick that up there. And then this one, I didn't look up yet. Detective Tigger. This one's $2. What is up with these $2 VHS tapes? I do not like that. But we'll see if it's going for anything. And it looks like brand new $23, used $19.99. Merchants are coming in at 9. Split the difference. And at $2, I'm going to leave it. And Arthur, I guess we'll check out. This one's $2 as well. Whoever had the yellow price tags went crazy on the VHS tape pricing. So the Arthur was really inflated on the price on FBA, showing $50, but it's really only selling for about 8 or 9, so not worth it. But this, I know that they just rebooted Teletubbies on Netflix, so I figured I'd check it out. Of course, it's Christmas. Christmas is coming up. This one is $2, but there's 2 tapes in here. And take a look at this. $38 collectible, $56 used. I'd sell it probably under used. And probably not $56, but closer to $40. Not bad, we'll take it. So my phone just died, guys. Always charge your phones before you go out thrifting. I found 2 more things though before it died. We got Invasion of the Dinosaurs. This looks wild. Selling for about $23. And then a brand new sealed VHS tape. I didn't get to scan it, but it's brand new. I've never heard of it before. Napoleon. It's a cute little puppy, and it's half off, so it's only 50 cents. I figure I'll take the risk. And I don't see anything else over here. Actually, these are kind of cool. Brand new sealed, the Wright Brothers animated classics and Pocahontas. They might be good. They're both only 50 cents also. And here we go, we have another one. Tom Thumb, 50 cents, brand new sealed. I think I'm just gonna snag them because they're so cheap. Why not? Let's see if there's anything else here. What do we have? ESPN skiing? No. So this is why you always have to check everything. I just opened this up and it is an old model in here. Somebody probably bought this brand new one and just put their old one in here. So it's not worth anything. Gotta put it back. That's a big miss, but that's all right. That's why I checked. We're gonna do one more lap, see if there's anything else that could possibly be good. You never know. Alright, this is a few days later. We are coming back to the same Goodwill because, I don't think I found enough in that video, so I want to show you guys maybe about a week or so later what else we could find in this exact same Goodwill. Let's head inside and see what we find. Let's go. Alright, we have some video games in there. We have Dora the Explorer, probably not good. What else? We have some Funko Pops. I don't know. We have one trading card randomly thrown in here. How much are those games? $5 each for some sports titles? Probably not the best. Let's keep looking. Alright, let's check this out. See what we could find here. I love checking the media. Sometimes video games are mixed in here as well, but usually not. So what I do like to see, I don't believe this is worth anything, but usually the movies are $2. So I grab all the sealed ones, and we'll scan those, see if they're worth it on Amazon. And yeah, I'll do that real quick and I'll show you guys. Alright, so I just finished this side right here, and you can see I did okay. 2 of them are used. The half off color today, I believe, is blue. I see blue. There's blue. So I think these are blue, so that's good. And Kipper. I've sold lots of Kipper things in the past. You can see the blue color right there. And at $1 a piece, these are both very good. And then we grabbed a couple brand new sealed things that are also both pretty good. This is half off, so $1. And then this is full price because it's red, but $2, not bad. So I was coming around the corner from the DVDs and I spotted a game right here, brand new sealed. Pictionary the Party Game for $5. I've never seen this game before. I'll pop the price up for you guys. Take a look at that. This is a score. Super happy. We'll put that in the cart. So after taking an extra lap, I stumbled across something. We have a Zumba Exhilarate. I have sold this multiple times over the past few years, and this is brand new. It's $12. I slid it open to just take a quick look. Everything is still sealed inside. I'll pop the price up here on the screen for you guys. Over $80, 12 into over 80. Pretty good, I'll take it. All right, guys, we are gonna head out. I'm about to check out all these goodies here. Not too bad, not too bad.